Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the essentials. Install Clip Studio and sign in so Clout features sync. Once done, pair your Apple Pencil and adjust pressure sensitivity. This improves line feel and reduces correction time. Create a new canvas with appropriate size and 300 dpi for prints or lower for quick sketches. Import any reference image onto a locked layer so it won't move. Now you're ready to sketch immediately. Don't waste time on unnecessary menus. You begin the process by blocking shapes on a rough sketch layer. Lower opacity so your ink stands out. Once satisfied, add a vector ink layer for clean, scalable lines. Vector allows easy line correction. Make sure to tweak brush size, tip shape, and stabilization to match your hand motion. Use selection and free transform to correct proportions, and apply clipping masks for colors beneath linear so you keep edges neat. Transition to shading with multiply layers to preserve color integrity, and you finalize by cleaning layers. Hide guides, run autocorrect where needed, then export a flattened PNG for sharing or a PSD/TIFF when you need layers preserved. Save a layered copy to cloud or files so you can revisit edits. Once done, adjust canvas color profile for final output and check edges at 100% zoom. If something breaks, tools lag, strokes drop, reset the current tool, toggle Apple Pencil settings, or restart the app. That usually restores normal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.